Well, hi everybody. This is just staying home grandma, and I had to put something on my arms besides just this. I'm gonna have to put one of my I'm going upstairs in my art room, so I put on one of my art sweaters, and because I wear the old holy sweaters, but they're warm, but they're just not to be worn outside. And my husband tried to throw a couple away, and I said no because I painted them, and he's like, "Well, they're raggedy," and I said, "I know." But anyway, what I got in my mail today? Okay, first of all, I got the 4-port charger. I have one, but I need one for upstairs on the top floor too as well, because I'm going to be charging a lot of things up here. Let me get this off so you can see it. I didn't think I'd get the other one, but I did, and I was quite happy. So let's look at it, shall we? I haven't gone over to get the phones or anything yet. I will go tomorrow because, like I said, it's... So this is the charger here. These are where they are. This is up here. Now this is a little bit different than the one that I have now, but I guess it works. Flatter. The other one's got holes in it. I mean, you know, it's where you can lay one iPad or iPhone or, you know, whatever. And so this is that. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh yeah, the cords and everything. Oh, here are the dividers here. I thought so. Here are the dividers here. If they're just down. And there's the cord in there. So that's what I got for that. So then I got... I didn't expect them to be this big either. I got these cute little bags. They're shopping bags. And I didn't expect them to be that big. And I think that there are 10 in here. So I might use these for gift bags for something, because I never use all 10 of them. And I won't use them for an art project because they're really pretty. So I got 10 of those. And then, last but not least, I got this. I have been thinking about this and thinking about this. I was actually going to go buy one. And then one came up for review, and I'm like, all right, I'll take it. This is the corner shower caddy. And I wanted a shower caddy. I actually wanted one that was on legs, but then I thought, no, because, you know, you have to suction it in and all that. This will work out just fine. And I have other ones like this of my soap dish, and I have a soap dish, and then I have like a little rack on the right hand side of me in the bathtub. But this will be good up above a little bit because I can put some other things in here that I don't have to reach for different things. So this is good. And this is the shower caddy. And this is the corner shower caddy. So I'm really happy with that. And that is really all I got. I'm kind of cutting down a little bit on something. And join me tonight on Facebook because I'm going to sell some different things. I'm going to sell some art things, and some other things. And it's like a $5 sale. And part of the proceeds are going to go to, well, part of each $5 that I make, $1 is going to go to the church for the homeless, for food and whatever. Because these are some cold times out here. So, you know. And I will be back. So I'll be back tonight at 8 o'clock. So on Facebook. Okay. If you don't have my Facebook page, look in the comments section and you'll see it. And I'll try to put it on there if I remember. Anyway, I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.